On every construction site, hazards are all around you. Whether it's falling debris, flying particles, or hazardous chemicals, personal protective equipment is your last line of defense. Are you properly equipped to stay safe? Introducing the PPE Overview for Construction online course from OSHA Online Center. This course gives you everything you need to know to protect yourself from the hazards you face on the job every day. You'll learn how to assess hazards, select the right PPE for the job, and maintain your equipment to ensure maximum protection. Whether you're dealing with sharp objects, heavy materials, or hazardous chemicals, this course prepares you to stay safe. Head and eye protection. Understand how to protect yourself from falling objects and flying debris with the right hard hats and safety goggles. Hearing and respiratory protection. Learn how to conserve your hearing and protect your lungs from harmful dust fumes and chemicals. Foot and hand protection. Discover how to choose the best gloves and boots to guard against sharp tools, heavy equipment, and hazardous material. Proper PPE use and maintenance. Make sure your PPE is effective by learning proper care and regular inspections. With clear instructions and real-world examples, this course equips you with the knowledge to use PPE correctly, ensuring you're fully protected at all times. Once you complete the course, you'll earn an OSHA compliance certificate, proving your expertise in using personal protective equipment safely and effectively. Sign up today by clicking the link in the description. Don't take chances with your safety. Be prepared, be protected. Enroll now.